Let's stay in the Gospels for today's question. Even though it's a question from the Old Testament, Jesus on the cross asked, my God, why have you forsaken me?" And when Jesus uttered these words on the cross, it sounded like the Father had abandoned him, and in a sense he had, for Jesus bore the penalty that was due for our sins. God made him who had no sin to be sin for us, so that in him we might become the righteousness of God. 2 Corinthians 5:21. Now today's question is the first line of Psalm 22, which starts with a sound of despair but ends with a declaration of faith in God's vindication. Any Jew listening to Jesus would have known it wasn't a statement of anguish, but of hope and trust. Now let me ask you, have you lost hope in some situation? Does it seem like God has abandoned you? If you have, then I urge you to go to Psalm 22 and then pour your heart out to God and watch and see if your attitude doesn't turn from dejection to hope in due time. God may not change your circumstances, but he may change you in the midst of your circumstances. That's it for today. I think we did a good job. Come on back tomorrow and we'll do it all over again.